Ayoko na!
Give up! Lapit na! Kasaba sa imo! Part of the house really, so look at this. It's very beautiful. They have, I know, that's already done. Today we are so excited. I'm so excited because we're going to, what's the name, Dai? Vue Cabine. So yay, we're here. We're so excited. We're gonna show you the place later. We're gonna have a tour, and today let's just enjoy the ride. It's 1 hour away from the city.
Vue Cabine is in Sitio Babag, Barangay Pangamihan, Toledo City. We took the Trans-Central Highway route in Busai, and it only took us about an hour to reach our beautiful destination.
Okay, so we just arrived at Vue. We're at the foot of a hill. So this is where you will park. Ganyan. And so we were greeted by their crew. Si Kuya. Ay, ano yan? What's this? Payong. Okay. Coolness. Kala nga.
Free yun eh?
Yes. Oh, bayad daw. Renta.
Vue is nestled in the hilly terrain of Toledo City. Expect a 3-minute hike going up to the cabin.
Ayoko na!
Give up. Lapit na. I can now see the house. Hey.
Finally!
Ngayong hapon.
The weather was gloomy and rainy the whole afternoon, but we were still lucky as the rain stopped before the sunset and we were gifted with a clear but starry night in the evening.
Hey! So, welcome. We just arrived here at Vue Cabine. So, as promised, I'm going to show you around. This is such a small place, but there's a bunch of cute stuff. So, obviously, as you see, they have 3 bunk beds, and I think each parang side could accommodate 2. So, you're already sleeping there. I think maximum 12, diba? 12 people can sleep here. So, they have a very, very homey na setup. So, like, ganyan. Charot. So, they have towels, what you call this, mga board games and stuff. They really, I like that they really maximize the small space. So, parang merong maze here. This is their shower toilet. Nice siya, actually, if you shower here. Parang kita ka sa labas. But according to them, tinted daw siya. And if you're not comfortable naman to show off, you can, I think, roll this down. But I'll try to be brave and show. Ay, charot din. So there's, ganyan lang siya, very simple. And in this side, I think, ano ba meron dito?
Entertainment area.
Yeah, the entertainment. Not really, but it's the parang dining, the small kitchen. Over there, they have some small appliances that we can also use. But when you book here, yung dinner and the breakfast are already included. So there, you just have to order in advance, and I'll show you later what we have for dinner. So there. Ano pa ba? Ito lang naman siya actually, but I really like the view. Price na siya. So let's go a little bit outside. I'll just show you. You will see, and this is what you will wake up to every day. Ganyan. So, mga bench. You can also put a hammock here if you like, upon request. Anywhere. They have the parang mga chairs that they could also set up if you want to Pero if you like as well, yung lamok. Meron sila, they can also set up video, okay? So, of course, hindi pwede na walang video okay for us, right? So, we'll definitely have that. And then this secret, parang wardrobe, kunwari. It's not actually. It's their secret drinks area. So, they have mga ganyan. Simple lang. You can also order here if you haven't brought your own drinks. But we brought a keg of beer and some wine and some hard drinks, diba? So may plano talaga maglasing. This is my favorite part of the house, really. So look at this, it's very beautiful. They have, that's already the road parang going back to the city, but right now you can see that because it's zero visibility. Kita niyo naman yung fog. It's very gloomy this afternoon, so this is the weather that we have, which is perfect. I think it's perfect. They have a very cute dipping pool. So ganyan, definitely try this later as well. Ano siya? Spring water daw. So they change it every after checkout of guests. So it's just parang what do you call this, murky siya right now because it's been raining the whole afternoon. But anyway, this is the place we'll plan to hang out later, and we'll have drinks. We've ordered some ice. Actually, the crew, everyone has been very nice, very accommodating. Actually, we have welcome drinks. You will try. So later.
After we had our fill, we spent time by the bonfire where we enjoyed a bottle of wine while sharing stories and having meaningful conversations. We owned the night like we owned the place. It definitely gives you the privacy everyone needs during this period of physical distancing. You don't need to go to Sagada or the mountain province of the Philippines to wake up to a sea of clouds. In Vue Cabine, you also get a front row seat to a beautiful sunrise.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you like that video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That's KZ Zepeda, and make sure to hit that notification button for more videos of me.